This is a certified pre-owned 2008 Ford F-250. Its top features include front and rear reading lights, a trailer hitch receiver, 12-volt power outlets, a low tire pressure indicator, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, door reinforcement beams, and this vehicle has fewer than 47,000 miles on the odometer. The Ford's pre-owned certification includes a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty and a 3-month, 300,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.